Hello, what's up guys? Meet me again in this CNC. Okay, in this video I want to sharing how you can index article more SEO. The easy method that we can use is sharing our article on Google Plus. How to do that? We can just log in Google Plus. You can see here. You can open your Google Plus and now copy your website post. For example, in here I want to paste this. Okay, and I create post. This will make your article more SEO. Okay, you can see do this regularly after you posting or creating new posts. That's all. Tutorial simple how you can make your article more SEO in Google search. Thanks for watching.